Santos, located on the southeastern coast of Brazil, is a lively city known for its stunning scenery and rich cultural heritage. Santos, one of the largest cities in the state of São Paulo, offers tourists plenty of entertainment. Viewers can enjoy stunning drone footage of the city's picturesque beaches and historic sites. The city of Santos boasts a spectacular coastline with miles of sandy beaches that attract beach lovers and water sports enthusiasts. The picturesque landscape also includes lush green parks and squares that provide visitors with ample opportunities for outdoor activities. Tourism plays an important role in the economy of Santos as the city offers visitors a wide range of attractions and activities. In conclusion, if you are planning a trip to Brazil, consider adding Santos to your itinerary. With its breathtaking scenery, vibrant tourist scene, and welcoming atmosphere, it promises an unforgettable travel experience.